This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation the name of this French white wine grape variety that is found in the Rhone Valley of France, particularly celebrated for the white wines of Hermitage, but it's also found in Savoie and in Switzerland, in the French Alps. You'll also find some Marsanne in the New World, particularly in Australia and the United States, in the US, particularly in California and Washington. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Marsanne. 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 For the typical French pronunciation, if you can do the French R, say Marsanne. Marsanne. Les vins de Marsanne, the wines from Marsanne. Marsanne, Marsanne. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.